Hi all. So today I'm starting this series. I started solving the lead code, this study plan, which is lead code 75. So let's just start it. And I'm starting with the level one. So in the level one for day one, we have two problems, which is stating it is of prefix sum. So let's start with the problem. First question is running sum of 1D array. So basically, let's just read the question. Given an array, we define a running sum of an array as running sum I, which means sum of nums 0 to nums I. So basically, what we need in this question is we need a sum. Like if running sums I denotes sum of all the elements of num array from 0 to I. So if we go via example, so here in nums I we have 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for output we have 1, then for 2 we have 1 plus 2, 3, then for third element we have 1, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 6 and so on we have 10. So basically how we are doing it as it is mentioned in the explanation itself. What we are doing, like for the first element we don't have any like prior element, so we do not need to add anything, so we'll take it as it is. Then for the second element we have to add it to the first element, and for the third element we need to add first two element and the third element, so on. So in this way we'll solve our problem. So our intuition is for the first element, we don't have anything prior to that, so we'll take it as it is. So I have like how I solved this problem is, so I calculated the length of the array which is given. Nums array is given, so I have calculated the length. We can calculate the length as nums dot length. Then I have created a running sums array which is of length n, and then I have initialized running sum 0 as num0 as we have seen in the approach. Then for I 1 to n, I'm calculating the sum. So how I'm calculating the sum? Running sum I minus 1. So whatever it's been already calculated is in running sum I minus 1. And then I'll add nums I, the value of remaining, like that element. And then after that, I'm returning running sum. So I was able to pass all the three cases, and so we can submit this problem. We can like run it and see if it is solving all the cases. So it was accepted and then I have submitted. Also, for the better understanding, I have put my solution also, explaining everything like time complexity, what is the time complexity of this problem, and what is the run, what is the space complexity. I have explained everything into that. You can go through the solution tab. You can also like my solution if you feel like my explanation is well there. So I have mentioned everything in detail here. You can also follow me, the other coder, on LeetCode and see how I solve any problem. I also post solutions with proper explanation. I hope it will help. Thank you so much. Bye bye.